Hello
Hello
guys,
guys,
welcome
welcome
to
to
Wobbly
Wobbly
Blossoms.
Blossoms.
So, I'm JJ,
And I'm her mother.
and today we're going to play a very interesting game.
You will surely love this game.
So, basically, today we are having our some questions for us. So, basically, we are playing a general knowledge game in which I'm competing with my mom, and whoever wins will win 2000. So, it's going to be interesting because it's
Very
for the money.
interesting. This will be very interesting, and you will surely love this game, and you will love to try this game in your
So let's
family.
start.
Yeah. Should we?
Yeah. Okay. So first, mom will ask. So first, mom gonna ask me.
So, are you ready for this?
Yeah.
So the very first question is that which South American country is home to Angel Falls, the world's tallest uninterrupted waterfall?
Okay.
Is this that tough?
Well, you're obviously more educated than me. Then I don't know.
Of course, mom is mom and child is less than in front of her mom. So I'm superior than you. Isn't?
Yeah, you are. So okay, I don't know the answer. I'll be honest.
So is the answer is Venezuela.
Oh.
Yeah, you are losing my dear daughter, my darling daughter. You are losing your first question, the very first question.
The starting is always tough. Never mind. Okay, so now your question. Which African river is the only major river in the world to cross the equator twice?
I think the only major river in African continent is, of course, River Nile, right?
Well, mom,
What other? I think River Nile is the good answer, the
Mom.
correct answer.
mom, I didn't knew that you know this much good. You're just like this much good at geography. Your answer is absolutely wrong.
Really? Oh my
It's wrong. Okay, so the answer.
What is the correct answer?
The correct answer is the Congo River. Well,
Okay, so
so we both got no points.
yeah, we both got, so we are equal. Nobody superior.
Yeah. Okay, so now your turn. Ask me.
Yeah. I'm gonna ask you the second one question, and
Hope
I
it's easy.
hope in this question you will surely give me the answer.
Okay.
What body of water separates the island of Madagascar from the main continent of Africa?
Okay. Wait. Hold on. I think I know the answer. Okay, so it's maybe the. Wait. It's something from something that.
Yeah, but give me the proper
Okay,
answer.
so I don't know the answer.
The answer is the Mozambique Canal.
Oh, but I was right. It was like something
Yeah, you said that is first letter is M. Yeah, this right, but not proper answer.
Well, there's imperfection in perfection.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You are a student, so you are learning, and you are in your learning process, and it's quite normal. Don't worry, never mind.
My dear mom. Okay, so
Ask me. I think I am genius enough to give you answer.
that's why I didn't answer. First question.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the term for a narrow strip of land with the sea on either side that connects two larger land masses? Well, okay, so you're definitely not gonna answer this because I can't even answer this. Like it's the pronunciation, like oh.
Yeah. I surrender.
Okay, so you surrender that
Yeah.
in front of me. Okay, so the answer is Isthmus, because I don't know what's the literal pronunciation of this. It's maybe the Isthmus of Panama.
Panama.
Oh,
Okay.
so now your turn.
Yeah, it's my turn, darling. So the next question of your turn is, which country occupies the land known historically as the Jutland Peninsula?
India.
No, not really.
Peninsula.
Yeah.
Oh, France. Wait. Australia.
Definitely not.
USA.
It's a European country.
Oh, okay. European country.
Yeah.
European country.
And
Ah.
I can give you clue. Can I?
Yeah. Obviously,
The first letter is D.
Denmark. Yeah. So okay. So I just run off one of my hints because oh no! You gave me two hints.
No, I give you one.
No, you gave two.
Yeah, don't worry.
Well,
Give me.
she unintentionally played with me. Okay.
It's a kind of a give and take. You can also give me two clues. I think you will ask some tough question. If you ask, then you can give me two clues. Then
Okay. So now it's my turn. Which European country contains the largest number of active volcanoes, mostly due to its location on the mid-Atlantic ridge?
I think Italy,
No.
France, Germany.
No.
Give me any clue, baby.
So it's basically. Oh, well, I'm not really good at geography, as my mom. We're not good at geography, but it's like I guess it's it's somewhere near the Greenland, England. I'm not sure.
Ireland.
Something that starts from I. Like it's
Iceland.
yeah, okay, so she got it. So well, I also played smart because I also gave you two
Yeah.
hints.
Thanks a lot for your favor to me. Now my turn. I am going to put another question. My question is that name the deepest trench in the world's oceans located in the Western Pacific.
Pacific,
Yeah.
and you said trench, largest trench in the ocean.
Deepest trench in the world's oceans located in the Western Pacific.
So a trench is what's a trench?
Are you not giving me answer?
Okay. Wait, I know that. I know that. I know that. Okay, I can. It's Mariana Trench.
You are cheating, my darling.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I just clearly lost this one. I don't know the answer.
The Marina Trench.
Well, I just picked that.
So it's your turn.
Okay, so it's now my turn to ask you. So my question to you is that which is the largest desert in the world?
Yeah, I know. My favorite Africa is Africa's desert Sahara.
Well, that was the fastest answer from two of us. Okay, so you got a point. So
Thank you. I'm glad. Thank God.
what's our total point?
I
Let's
don't
go.
know.
Okay, so editor, please display it here, over here. Okay, so now it's your turn to ask me.
I'm asking you.
And one more thing that guys we just needed to clear that we're using separate questions. She's using her own questions over here, and I'm using other questions. So don't think that we're going to cheat or something.
Yeah.
Well, you can cheat like I did.
Which mountain range acts as a natural geographical border separating Europe from Asia?
I literally know this, and if I don't got this, this will be a shame for me. Oh my gosh, I know that.
Really?
Can you please repeat the question? Please repeat the question.
Which mountain range acts as a natural geographical border separating Europe from Asia?
Okay, so like if I just display the map, the world map, Europe is here, somewhere here, and there's Asia, and the countries which are the borderline are.
I'm not asking about borderline, but
No, I'm just like imagining. I'm just visualizing it. Maybe I just got the answer. So is okay. So just give me one hint. Is it like from like upward, like in Russia, like in the Russian borders, or?
honestly speaking, I also don't know where it is located, but I only.
Obviously, we just collected our answers from ChatGPT. Okay, questions. I mean, okay,
Yes, but I don't know what is the
okay. I just saw the answer. It's
the Ural Mountains.
Okay, guys, comment down where they are, and
Yeah.
we can go there in upcoming videos.
Yeah, really.
Yeah, we will.
Surely gonna go there. I like.
Okay, so guys, now the geographic questions and here, and our points are 1 and 0. I guess so, or
I defeated.
actually she's dominating. Okay.
No, darling, I'm not.
Okay, she's the mother. Okay, the next question is okay, so now there are current affair questions. So I'm going to ask you,
Yeah.
which North American country is slated to join the United States and Mexico as a co-host for the Men's FIFA World Cup?
America,
No, mom. No.
Canada.
Yeah, he's right. Okay. Okay, so I guess you got confused because I just said that. Like, okay. Never mind. She got the point. 2 and my point.
Okay.
I guess so.
Now I'm going to ask, which international bloc is being chaired by India under the theme Building for Resilience, Innovation, Cooperation and Sustainability?
You know, I don't know. I'm sorry. So what's the answer then?
The answer is BRICS. BRICS. All capital letters.
Oh, okay. So it's this question came into my exam.
Really?
Yeah, in my previous class exams. Oh my gosh.
Don't worry, it's happened. It's
That
happened.
means I do rote learning? No. Rote learning reminds, but it doesn't.
It's not good thing. Never do this. So it's my turn now.
No, it's my turn to ask you. Uh, who took office as the Chancellor of Germany, succeeding the previous administration after a continuous transition? So I'm sure that you don't know the answer.
No, I know answer. Let me think for a while. I think I know this answer because previously I think I listened this question from somewhere. It's I think Friedrich Merz. I think I'm sure.
You know that's.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna fall from here.
Friedrich Merz. I'm sure.
You know this is not scripted, and like I'm just continuously failing. Okay. Okay, she's right. She got the point. Okay, just tell the score editor. Okay, now it's your turn to ask.
Yeah, it's my turn now.
I hope
And
so I get it right. Actually, my mom is way too good at the current affairs and geography.
yeah, now I think it's very interesting question. In a historic first for the Roman Catholic Church, Cardinal Robert Francis Provost was elected as Pope, taking the name Leo. From which country does he hail?
United States.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a total guess. I didn't know the answer. I'm way too smart. I'm just. Oh my gosh.
Okay, so
No, now I got the first point. My first point? Yeah, maybe the first point. I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
Answer? Points.
yeah,
Let's go.
I think also I think is your first point.
She's teasing me. Okay, so now it's my turn to ask you.
Yeah, really.
Oh, I got that. So your another question. The next question is that who is a trillionaire? The first trillionaire in the history.
Even a little children, toddler can answer this question. It's very easy question. Of course, Elon Musk after SpaceX IPO.
Oh yeah. Okay. So
Very easy question.
now it's proud moment for a man in history. So, oh my gosh, I guess she's winning. She's winning her game. She's winning.
Mother.
Wait, who decided the idea of doing this? I decided.
Yeah.
Really?
And you are losing this.
I'm failing in my own game.
Her game, her own game, she's losing. Whatever.
Okay, now ask me.
Yeah. Should I ask any question from my own mind?
Yeah, sure, you can.
Okay. So, my question to you is that
Persisting.
name the capital of Australia.
Sydney.
No.
So what's it?
Canberra.
Literally my geography teacher is going to. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm also going to ask you from myself a tricky question. So can I ask?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're shifting from the current affairs and geographic questions because especially I'm not like answering that correctly. I don't know which one I answered correctly. But that you're not saying okay.
You selected most of a question.
I didn't select it. You selected by yourself. I selected by myself. Okay, it was ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the culprit here.
Yeah.
Okay, so the question is that it's a like IQ test question. See what's your IQ. So it's a dark room. In the dark room, there are three things. You're having three things. One, a matchstick. Second, a candle. And third, a lamp. That's lantern type. Okay. So which one you're going to turn on first? Like which one you're going to use first?
If the room is dark, then first I will use matchstick, and with the matchstick I can burn candle. So simple answer.
I guess you got more than 5. Correct? Okay, so on which question we are? Okay, now you ask.
Okay, from my own mind, from my own brain, I will ask another question from you, which is I will ask very simple question from you. Um, um, like, which is the smallest continent on the earth? Very simple.
Well, my geography is not that bad. Okay, obviously, Australia.
Yeah, surely.
It's right. Okay.
Yeah.
So next, I'm gonna ask you for myself, from the knowledge of my knowledge, that who is the king of United Kingdom? Who's the king of United Kingdom?
Oh, darling. Oh, let me think. I think King of United Kingdom is Prince Charles.
Yeah, Prince Charles.
Yeah, of course.
She's right. She's actually perfect at everything. Okay. So you are going to teach me afterwards all the questions, all the
Yeah.
stuff. She's right. She's winning. She's clearly winning.
You all will surely enjoying our game.
So now she's going to ask me the last question in this game, this video. So ask.
Yeah, I will surely ask. Give me the answer of the question that give any 5 or 6 states of United States. Name any 5 to 6 states of United States, if you know.
Okay, I know. New York, New Jersey, New York, New Jersey, Virginia, yeah, and then California,
Yeah.
and what about one? Wait.
There are so many.
Uh, 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 uh. So I have said New Jersey, New York, California, and Virginia, and
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania. Well, wait. I just want to answer that. It's Texas. Texas.
Yeah.
It's like she clearly won. And in the next video, as she's going to we have just decided that the questions we just picked for each other was too tough. So we're going to divide the money 1K, and then we will show you that what we purchased from that in the next video. Stay connected. Bye bye.
Bye bye.